In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Epic Games email on the Nintendo Switch. Now, you guys may be a little bit confused why I'm actually on my phone instead of the Nintendo Switch, and I'll explain that later on in the video. But the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome on your device. You could also do this on a desktop. It would just make the process significantly easier. In theory, you could do it on the Switch. However, just doing it on a mobile device will make it 100% faster. Alright, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up Google Password Manager, and this is going to have all of our, say, passwords and emails associated with all of our accounts. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on Google Passwords right over here. And here's the thing, you guys want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. And if you do have multiple emails, then they will appear in a list right over here. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on every single one of them until you find the option that does say Epic Games. So if you did save your password to Epic Games, then it will appear in this list, and all you got to do is you got to go ahead and press on it. Then you may need to go ahead and enter in your password, and then you will get access to the email and the password. So again, this may not always work, but it is definitely something worth trying, because obviously whenever you do log into Epic Games, you do use your mobile device. So you may be able to go ahead and find the email right over here. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.